Week at a Glance, led by Vishal Kudaka. MSP is key to India's food security, says Prime Minister. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reiterated his support for minimum support prices and government procurement of crops at a time when farmers are protesting against agricultural reforms that they say endanger the existing system. RBI forecasts end to contraction by Q4. Barring the incidence of a second wave, India stands poised to shrug off the deadly grip of the virus and renew its tryst with its pre-COVID growth trajectory, says Shaktikanta Das, RBI Governor. Mahbooba Mufti released after 14 months. I was ready to quit Congress in March itself, says Khushbu. Actor and former Congress spokesperson Khushbu Sundar on Monday joined BJP, having sent in her resignation letter to Congress President Sonia Gandhi. She said that she had been contemplating the action since March. Suraj Venyalmud and Kanyi Kushrudi won the Best Actor and Actresses award respectively. Vasanthi adjudged Best Film. State's public education goes digital. Kerala presenting a good model in rejuvenating public education, says CM. Schools to remain shut, CM. Idukki water nearing orange alert. Heavy inflow to Periyar continues. Hyderabad residents relieved as water recedes. The skies cleared on Thursday after heavy rain battered Hyderabad, giving residents the much needed relief. While water from many flood-hit colonies receded, distress calls continued to pour in. Paper slip virus test to be out soon. Vardhan. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan on Sunday said his ministry would soon roll out the Feluda paper strip test for SARS-CoV-2 diagnosis. SARS-CoV-2, not last virus to spark a pandemic. Next such virus could be MERS-2, warns Professor of Microbiology Susan Weiss. 70% of virus fatalities are men. At a press conference, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said 70% COVID-19 fatalities are men and the rest women. Antimicrobe drug can fight coronavirus, says scientist. An affordable antimicrobial drug used to treat stomach ulcers and bacterial infections has shown promise to combating the coronavirus in animals, scientists in Hong Kong announced on Monday. Vaccine shot painless, says Covishield trial volunteers. 93% of COVID-19 victims in Karnataka in the month of August were symptomatic. Trump has tested negative, doctor. India, US too cautious on China, said a senior US official. American duo win Economics Nobel. US economists Paul Milgrom and Robert Wilson won the Nobel Economics Prize on Monday for work on commercial auctions, including for goods and services difficult to sell in traditional ways such as radio frequencies, the Nobel Committee said. Viola Award for Edacheri Ramachandran. His collection of poems, Oru Virginian Veilkalam, wins the award. Ramvilas Paswan. Union Minister and LJP Patriarch passes away. Akkitham leaves Mahakavi throne vacant. Malayalam poet and Jnanapith laureate Akkitham Achyutan Namboothiri, 94, dies at a private hospital in Thrissur. Banu Adaya, India's first Oscar winner, passes away. Rafael Nadal's ever-ending Parisian love story turns another page. He beats Djokovic to win his 13th title at Roland Garros. Lewis Hamilton equaled Michael Schumacher's all-time record 91 Formula One wins on Sunday with an Eiffel Grand Prix victory.